Good morning, students. Students, today we will complete question answer of lesson number 7. The name of chapter number 7 is HTML. Yes, first question, students. Write a short note on HTML. Answer is the web pages are written in a special language called HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Full stop. HTML lets you design and create web pages that can be read on computer using any web browser software. Full stop. The HTML is an SGML, means standard generalized markup language application for making a document for inclusion in the World Wide Web. Question number 2. Explain the function of the following HTML tags. Number 1 tag, B tag means bold tag. The text written in these tags will be displayed in bold. I tag means italic tag. The text written in these tags will appear in italics. U tag means underline tag. The text written in these tags will be underlined. BR tag, break tag. BR tag is used to create a line break in a paragraph. EM tag, the text written in these tags to emphasize the matter. SUB tag, subscript. The subscript tag allow the web author to place a specified text slightly below the normal text. SUP tag, sub tag means superscript tag. The superscript tag places the specified text slightly above the normal text. Next question, differentiate between container tag and empty tag. Number 1, container tag heading. Container tags have on tag and off tag. Container tags have on tag and off tag. Empty tags have no off tag. These tags have only on tags. Next, order and unordered list. Ordered list and ordered list commonly referred to as number list. The OL tag is used for ordered list. Unordered list and unordered list commonly referred to as bullet list. The UL tag is used for unordered list. Next, fourth number question. Describe the head, title and body of a HTML document. The head section of an HTML document begins with the head tag. This element identifies the beginning of your HTML document. Second, title. The title of document is specified by the title tag. The title element is always placed inside the head tag. Body tag consists of all the visible matter and the content of a web pages. All text, graphics, lists and things are present in the body tag. Question number 5. How the text of a paragraph can be aligned in HTML? The text of paragraph can be aligned by using the align attribute. First, P align equal to left. It means answer we will write to align the paragraph towards the left. Second, P align equal to right, to align the paragraph towards the right. P align equal to center, to align the paragraph at the center. P, align justify, to make the paragraph alignment justify. Question number 6, students. Define the example various attributes present in font tag. Number 1, color attribute. Color attribute is specify the color of the text. Example, font color equal to red. And then text and close the font tag. Face attribute. Face attribute is specify a font face that you hope to use for a block of text. Example, font face equal to Times New Roman, then write text and font close. Size attribute. Size attribute specifies the size of the text. Font size equal to 6. Type your text here and then font close. Next, question number 7. What do you mean by heading labels? In HTML, HN tag allows heading labels to enhance the look of the text. They are fundamental to HTML documents. The 6 levels of headings are specified in HTML. H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, and H6 heading level are non-empty tags. Question number next, students, means from exercise these two questions are given. Question number 9 and then question number 8. Name the 2 editors that can be used to create a web page. First, text editor and WYSIWYG editor are used to create a web page. Next question, student, why HTML is different from programming language? HTML is very different from programming language because HTML does not act on external data. Yes, question answers are completed. Students, now we will complete the exercise of lesson number 7, HTML. First, MCQ we will complete. In first, we can fill head. In second, web. Third, title tag. Fourth, SGML. Fifth, OFF off tag. Sixth, P tag. 7, no shade. And 8, 6. These we can fill in this, means first, I am repeating again, first head, second web, third title, fourth SGML, fifth off, 6 P tag, 7 no shade, and 8 6. Fill in the blanks, students. First, fill up www or World Wide Web. Both are right. Second, 1986. Third, head. Fourth, case. Fifth, body. 6, HR. 7, sub tag. And 8, LI tag. Then true, false, students. First, true. Second, true. Third, true. Fourth, false. Fifth, true. Sixth, true. 7, true. 8, true. Is it clear? Now,